Is it truly possible for artificial intelligence to transform any reference material into a fully functional website without requiring a single line of code? Today, we'll explore Gamma AI's capabilities and limitations to discover if this tool can revolutionize how non-developers create web content. Throughout the next 4 minutes, I will guide you through a comprehensive exploration of Gamma AI's interface, demonstrate its practical applications with real-world samples, explain the fundamental technology in design's capabilities, and help you determine if this tool aligns with the specific project needs. When first accessing Gamma AI, you're presented with a thoughtfully designed interface that offers 3 primary pathways: beginning a project from scratch, generating content from an existing URL, or creating a website based on documents such as PDFs or Google Slides. This approach is intentionally designed to accommodate various starting points in the design process. To illustrate Gamma AI's capabilities, let's walk through creating a website for an AI-driven content design agency. Observe how the system generates a comprehensive content outline. Rather than simply providing empty templates, Gamma AI creates contextually relevant placeholders that serve as both structural elements and content guides. Additionally, when creating content, you can choose the model for image generation. Free accounts have access to models like Flux and Google's Imagen, while paid users can utilize ideogram, adding a premium touch to their visuals. This flexibility ensures that your content not only meets, but exceeds your creative vision. Next, you'll notice the card-based organization system. Each section of content exists as an individual card that can be modified, repositioned, or removed. This modular approach enables flexible content management without requiring understanding of HTML structure or CSS positioning. When you initiate the generation process, Gamma AI's algorithms transform your outline into a cohesive design, applying consistent visual styling, appropriate spacing, and responsive layout principles design fundamentals that typically require significant expertise. The side panel provides access to layout controls, data visualization options, and integration capabilities. These tools expand functionality beyond static content, allowing embedding of interactive elements from platforms like YouTube, Miro, and Airtable. Important to understand that Gamma AI excels in specific areas while having defined limitations. The system demonstrates exceptional ability in content formatting, image placement, layout optimization, and maintaining visual hierarchy design principles that normally require formal training. However, Gamma AI cannot implement complex functionality requiring back-end processing or database connections. While it handles visual presentation expertly, it cannot create interactive elements like functional contact forms with validation or data processing capabilities. To fully evaluate Gamma AI's capabilities, let's examine how it handles existing content. When provided with a URL, the system intelligently extracts textual content, preserving information hierarchy and relationships between elements. While it doesn't recreate the exact visual design, it maintains all written information and replaces original imagery with AI-generated alternatives that maintain contextual relevance. This illustrates the system's ability to understand design intent rather than merely copying visual elements. Understanding Gamma AI's technological foundation helps identify appropriate applications. The tool isn't designed for developers requiring complex web applications with custom functionality or database integration. The underlying technology focuses on presentation rather than functionality. However, for designers, freelancers, marketers, or entrepreneurs seeking rapid creation of visually appealing landing pages, Gamma AI represents an optimal solution. Its strengths in content organization, visual presentation, and deployment efficiency, allowing one-click publishing to custom domains, make it particular value for these use cases. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment the videos in the description below. And remember, the AI of today is just the beginning. The best is yet to come. See you guys next time. Okay, bye-bye.